Our journey as farmers has led us down multiple paths. Preserving has become a major part of our business, making sure that nothing goes to waste. Making jams, pickling, and dehydrating. Extending the tomato season, pickling unwanted crops, and dehydrating for a longer shelf life. Food preservation is important. It increases the food supply, reduces the food waste, and seasonal foods can be enjoyed at any time of the year. We are constantly working on our recipes and have a wide selection of preserves. Send us a DM and we'll let you know what's available.
Follow our other series of What Do Farmers Eat to get the inside scoop of one of our beloved preserves, kale pesto. Coming soon. Eat today what is not available for tomorrow and preserve for tomorrow what we can't eat today.